Assamese management lesson, Kharkhowa management. The fourth lesson. Tiri Purush Hoiba Ekamoti, Tabesi Sijibo Hort Bokoti by Devajit Buyan. Ladies and gentlemen, every great success story in life, every achievement in career, every stable and prosperous society begins from one simple place, the home. Yes, the home. The foundation of success does not start in the office, the market, or the parliament. It begins in the relationship between two people who share a life together. When a husband and wife share love, understanding, patience, and affection, their home becomes a haven of peace. But when every small issue becomes a battle of ego, when arguments replace understanding, the same home can quietly transform into a place of suffering. For centuries, Assamese culture and society have understood this simple truth. The progress of a family, the prosperity of a household, depends greatly on the harmony between husband and wife. But let me say something important for our modern time. This harmony must be built on equality, respect, trust, and mutual understanding. Not dominance, not control, but partnership. Let me share a story. Long ago, in the village of Dikaliadi, there lived a farmer named Pitambor Gogoi. Pitambor was not only a successful farmer, he was also a successful family man. He had 3 sons, 3 daughters, and a prosperous household. His granaries were full. His family was united, and his marriage had lasted 50 long years. To celebrate this milestone, Pitambor organized a grand celebration for his golden wedding anniversary. During the gathering, one man approached him with curiosity. He said, "Pitambor Kai, people say you have lived a very successful life and a successful marriage. What is your secret?" Pitambor smiled. A calm, wise smile that only life experience can create. And he answered with a line both humorous and deeply profound. He said, "Never criticize your wife for her shortcomings or mistakes. Always remember that because of her weaknesses, she could not find a better husband than you." The crowd laughed, but hidden within that humor was deep wisdom. You see, every human being wants respect. Every person fears losing face. When we make mistakes, our natural instinct is to defend ourselves or blame someone else. But true wisdom lies somewhere else. Sometimes, peace is more valuable than being right. Sometimes, accepting blame quietly can protect harmony in the family. Remember this powerful truth. When we point one finger at someone, 4 fingers point back at ourselves. If we learn to forgive others, others will also learn to forgive us. Traditional Assamese society has long recognized the importance of equality within marriage. The wife has always enjoyed status, dignity, and authority alongside the husband. Perhaps that is why Assamese society historically avoided many social evils that plagued other regions. Respect within the home created stability within society. Let us look at a modern example. The global technology company Infosys. Its founder Narayan Murthy often reminds us of something very important. He says the success of Infosys would not have been possible without the support and sacrifices of the wives of the founders. They contributed their personal savings to start the company. They managed the home and family responsibilities. Their quiet support created the environment in which innovation could grow. Behind many successful men and successful enterprises, there are strong and supportive partners. And that brings us to the 4th management lesson of Kharkhowa management. Tiria Purusha Hoibat Kamoti, Tebese Sijibo Horit Pokoti. It means when man and woman stand united in agreement, every endeavor in their shared life becomes successful. Our ancestors expressed this wisdom beautifully through a Fokora Jujona. Goinia Bangile Kahi, Misikiai Pelalehahi, Betia Bangile Kotora, Gargon Palegoi Botora. These words remind us that domestic harmony protects the dignity of the family. So remember this simple but powerful lesson. Success is not built only through education, wealth, or power. True success is built through understanding, respect, and partnership at home. When 2 people walk together in agreement and trust, their home becomes strong, their family becomes stable, and their journey through life becomes meaningful and successful.